welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. I know I am super excited to be filming again. We finally have subscriptions coming in. The mail has started running again. So we are ready to go. We're back in action. Thank you so much for being here. If you have not already, please do subscribe, and don't forget we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It does end on the 30th of this month, so we're less than 2 weeks away. So make sure you enter, and new things have been added to the prize package, and I don't know, maybe in a week we'll do an update of all the additional stuff added so you guys can see. But let's get into one of my favorite subscriptions. It is our EarFleek for September 2018. I love this subscription, because it is super cheap. It is $3.49 a month, and all the earrings are super adorable. They do have 3 different options. You can get minimalist but groovy. You can do I can't think of the other name. It's like I've seen that option have, you know, like pizza slices and, you know, which like fun stuff. And then there's the boho babe, which is the selection that I go with because I like dangly earrings and just fun stuff like that. And they have been on point every time, so I'm super excited to see what this month has. So let's go ahead and open. Again, this is the September 2018 EarFleek. So I love the saying on the back too. It's always the same. A girl should be 2 things: classy and fabulous. And that is correct. So we take it out, and it is always the same little card inside letting you know that you have your earrings, and they do always come inside bubble wrap and then inside another little bag, which is great. You guys, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. What I like is EarFleek always connects their earrings. So I'm assuming so the backs don't get bent. So they always connect them. But you guys, look. They're little black tassel earrings with little wooden beads. These are so cute. All right, we're gonna put these on because I did not wear earrings for this purpose. I don't know that they necessarily match what I'm wearing, but that is okay. So, look how cute. They are so cute, you guys. Look how fun. $3.49. You cannot beat that. And what I also really like is they're like allergy free, they're nickel free. So, you know, I have super sensitive ears. They do not irritate my ears. So if you have the same issue, you do not have to worry about that. You guys, how cute are these? They are just super adorable. They're just fun, and I love them. So, yay! So, I will make sure to link down below a link to their website, so if you would like to sign up. And I also think that they have, if you check out Groupon, I think you actually can go ahead and prepay for a year at a super discounted price. So you check that out, but I will link their website down below. So if you would like to sign up for beautiful earrings, you can. You can also, if you're a first time member, there is a code that I will link below as well to get your first month for half off. So it's only $1.75. You can't beat that for a pair of earrings. I mean, $3.49 is awesome, but $1.75 is even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Again, please don't forget to enter the giveaway. And if you have not already, please do subscribe and join our wonderful YouTube family here. And until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon.